Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2024 Jeep Compass Trailhawk. Coming in this nice red coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 2-liter engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities. And taking a look at the back here, we got a red recovery hook, we got rear park sensing, backup camera, roof spoiler with roof rails, black accents along this vehicle with blind spot detection, turn light indicator mirrors. We got a lovely remote start on this vehicle with a nice Trailhawk decal on the hood of the vehicle with recovery hooks up front in that nice Jeep grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a powered liftgate, which you can open on the key fob, the button on the left there, or button by the driver's side, which provides you with tons of storage. You get tons of hooks and doodads to hold your gear down. Your liftgate's right there, more storage on either side. Lights, you can collapse your last row if you need additional storage with your normal storage below with a full-size spare tire. To close, you just hit that button right there, and it will go down automatically for you. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does CO25 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, some cloth accents, plenty of door space in the back with the Trailhawk stitching, floor mats, carpeted interior, rear vents, USB and USB-C with a 12-volt down there, and of course, you can fold that down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same leather and cloth interior we saw in the back there. We got the Trailhawk logo stitched into the leathering. Plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, lights, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 62,528 kilometers. We got this nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, cruise control, the nice Jeep logo, with toggle-free screen, phone, media. You have your voice there as well, modes and volumes behind the steering wheel, digital speedometer, vehicle info, driving assist, fuel economy, trip info, stop-start, audio, messages, screen setup, settings, and all that fun. Gear select, parking brake, drive modes, 4-wheel drive low, hill, all 4-wheel drive lock, cup holders and storage with more storage below. We even get more storage here as well with some outlets with dual climate up front. You can turn your screen on or off. Dual climate, heated front seats, you can mute right here. Traction, lane centering, hazards, park sensing, auto stop, auto start, storage below. Your liftgate functions right there. And garage door transmitter. Looking here, you have your audio, you got climate controls, phone. We're gonna click into here. You got your heated front seats, heated steering wheel. Got your audio here with AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM, which is all pretty cool. Gonna go home real quick. You got your climate controls up here as well. Change where the fans are going, all that jazz. And add your phone, media phone, vehicle information can be found in here as well. Display mode, manual audio, set theme, which is pretty nice. You can really customize this vehicle however you please, which is all pretty handy. I'm going to go to theme 2, and it'll change here and on your main screen as well. Shifting to reverse, we do get that lovely backup camera as well. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8273, and you can head on in a PG Ford or give us a call.